places we build cable cars.
This helicopter pilot is assisting in the assembly of a giant Christmas.
Hovers, he starts to come down, he descends. And it catches the rotor blade on the cable that is holding up the crane.
This could have been catastrophic for the pilot, but thankfully he was wearing a seatbelt. That probably meant the difference between life and death.
His saving grace was that he was strapped, especially in the military, is as you're going to land, you're normally unbuckled and you're ready to jump out. And that's when the issues happen. And that's it, end of story.